The Next.js framework is maturing really fast. With each update, it's casting off old features and launching shiny new functionalities. This front-end build tool is a complete package as a whole, but here are a few of Next.js best features. The first is rendering approach. So Next.js offers several rendering approaches, also known as hybrid rendering strategies, to cater the different use cases. One of these is static site generation. Pages are pre-rendered at build time, resulting in blazing fast performance, exceptional SEO, better search engine visibility, and reduced server load, ideal for content that doesn't change frequently. Second one is the server-side rendering. Pages are rendered on the server for each request, providing a dynamic experience and SEO benefits for frequently changing content or user-specific data. The other one is incremental static regeneration, that is ISR, a hybrid approach that pre-renders pages but allows for revalidation at regular intervals or on demand. Great for content that needs to be up to date but doesn't change constantly. Next is routing. Now, Next.js also simplified the routing. Next.js leverages the file system based routing convention, where each page in a project directory corresponds to a route in application. This intuitive approach makes routing easy to manage and understand. Then we have data fetching. Next.js can also provide built-in mechanism for fetching data from various sources like APIs and databases. Let's discuss the three main data fetching methods. First one is get static props. It fetches data at build time and provides it as props to the page components. Second one is get server-side props. This method fetches data on the server for each request and passes it as props to the components. And the third one is get initial props. It fetches data on both the server and client sides, but is being phased out in favor of more specialized options. Next feature is code splitting. So Next.js automatically splits the code into smaller bundles, ensuring that only the necessary code is loaded for each page, leading to faster initial page loads. It is called the automatic code splitting. Another feature of Next.js is built-in optimization. It incorporates various optimizations out of the box, such as prefetching and code splitting, to deliver a performant user experience. Next.js also offers image optimization, which is a built-in feature, including automatic resizing and compression of images to improve website loading times and user experience, especially on mobile devices. Next.js provides seamless integration with TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript that enables static typing for enhanced code maintainability and reduced runtime errors. Next.js also implements hot reloading, which means that any changes made to the code are reflected in the browser without the need for a full page refresh, significantly speeding up the development workflow. Then there is also a feature called built-in CSS support, where it helps to import CSS files from a JS file using styled JSX, as it provides styles on both client and server side. We will see an approved design right after entering a site. These features, combined with the power of React, make Next.js a compelling choice for building modern and feature-rich web applications.